Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on your Windows 11. So you can do this by using a tool called Snipping tool. To get that tool, click on Windows icon and write Snipping tool. It will come right here. You just click on open. You will see this window and hit on new, and you will see this mouse. So so the area you want to take the screenshot, you can just do this like this, and you see this is your screenshot right here, and you can save this file, and that's it. So another option you can do is by using keyboard. You have to find a key on your keyboard. At the very top says print screen, PRTSCR. You just tap that screen, and you will paste like Control V on any open to like Word or Paint. You will get your screenshot there too, or it will automatically save on your picture folder. Yeah, so that's it for now. See you next time.